Alright, welcome to Hide Science Vlog. This episode we're going to be looking at diffraction, kind of how diffraction works. Last episode we looked at refraction. The words sound very similar, and they kind of deal with bending of light. With refraction you got to have a change in medium. Diffraction, there's no change in medium, but there's objects that we bend around or bend through. So, common example of this, say this is a wall in the bay, or somewhere in a body of water. And these are water waves. These waves are traveling from left to right towards the wall. Now, some of these waves, some of the energy hits the wall, it will bounce back. Right? But some waves, as it hits this opening here, they're going to diffract through the opening. So if you ever see this, you'll get the appearance of the waves looking like this. Right, as they diffract through. Right. Now, what if, sorry, had a little brain fart there for a minute. What if this hole size was changed? So if the hole size got smaller, or if the hole was smaller, the waves would have to diffract more to get through there. So to get through there and fill up this space, right, they're going to have to diffract more. Right? If the hole in the bay wall was made larger, it wouldn't have to diffract as much. So if the hole or the opening was larger, it would still diffract, but there would be less diffraction. If the hole was small, it'd have to diffract more in order to kind of bend and fill that space up. So here in this example, we have a house at the bottom of the hill, some kind of radio tower, satellite tower, something like that. If diffraction did not occur, the waves would just kind of go off out into the distance. This house would get no service, or wouldn't pick up these radio waves or satellite waves or cell phone waves or whatever they are. But because diffraction occurred, it's going to bend down this hill here. Right? So the diffraction allows the signal to spread. So we don't lose service every time we go down a hill or around a building or whatever the case may be. So diffraction is kind of diffracting, bending through openings around buildings, down hills, up hills, valleys, where refraction would be there's actual change in medium. So again, two very similar sounding words, but two kind of different meanings.